Some time back, I had posted about beta testing of Real Time QSO Manager from QRZ. I had the opportunity to be one among the beta testers in the initial phase. That was for a restricted audience of around 300 amateur radio operators globally. This is the URL here to type in for this public phase of beta testing. Now it is public beta testing. It is not fully launched yet. You can access it from this URL. And this is the current page. It has been improved from the initial beta testing phase. You can see which are the operators now available for a contact. If you have propagation from that region, you can have a contact. These operators will be listening on the frequencies designated, and if you call when there is propagation, you can have a contact. For example, this is one ILC, Whiskey 7 Delta Hotel Hotel. The grid location is given, and it is 6 meter MSK44, that is meter scatter QSO. That's what this operator is waiting for on 6 meter 50.2800. Sorry, 50.26000. And that is one. This is a digital mode. You can see 20 meter FT8, standard FT8 frequency here. And the grid and call sign are given there. These are faded maps. You can see compared to this one, this is very bright. That means the spot has been over there for quite some time, and as time passes, this becomes faded. This is also digital because you have the symbol of the computer. This is CW. You can see the Morse key. I'll click that and see. That is Delta Lima 1 Golf Bravo Zulu, waiting for CW QSOs on 20 meter on 14.06840. So if you go to that frequency and call, then you can probably hear him. Here, comment is given. You can write your own comment there. If you hear the station, then you can give it here, and then the number will increase. If suppose if I go to that frequency and hear him, I can that is mark call sign heard. Then the 0 will become 1 and so on. There's also log QSO with operator on QRZ. And there is a color coding here for 160 meter and lower. This color HF 30 to 17 meter, VHF, SHF, HF low, HF high, UHF, EHF. These are the color codes. And this is the basic symbol for an antenna. This is how you start a new operating session. My call sign can be entered. Band I'll have to change. Grid square I'll have to add. Mode I'll have to change, SSB or whatever it is. Frequency I have to type in. And the comments and then submit. That's what I have to do. This I had explained in the previous session. And this is the active operating sessions now going on. More details are shown. You can see this color is brighter than the other colors. We can filter the operation sessions by using this. You can choose the band and mode and then submit. So you will be able to see only those modes or bands. That will be useful when the whole map is fully populated with many operators. Now the number is low, it's easy to find out, but sooner or later, because it has entered the public testing phase, you will expect to see many spots over here. That's the filter once again. And there is a help available here. That is RTQM documentation users guide. I will not go in detail because I'll just scroll through. Most of the things I already mentioned here. This is important. Logging in is with the same username and password which you use for your usual QRZ account. This is the map which they have shown. and you can find out more details. That is the zooming function, plus minus here. Then the types of designations: antenna, default, computer, mic is for phone modes. This is data stream, and CW and satellite mode. I'm just scrolling through because it's easy for you to read and find out. I don't have to explain it. I explained it partly during my, and this is something QSY session. Suppose you are on a 40 meter band and you want to QSY, that also you can mark in that. And when you finish the session, you can end the session so that this part will go, confirmation will be asked. This is a good feature, interacting with another operating session. Marking as heard, I already mentioned. So that's in short about the real-time QSO Manager from QRZ. I hope that it will be very popular because QRZ is anyway very popular among amateur radio operators. So I expect this also to be very popular. Initially you may have some teething trouble because it's in the beta testing phase. But finally it will come out to be an excellent program.